cookies chapter, we have seen that we can implement authentication with the help of cookies. Now to demonstrate that sessions can serve the same purpose which cookies can, I would like to redo the same program which we done earlier using cookies but now using sessions. So let me open that project first. Here we had login controller. So I will copy the login controller file and as it is would try to paste it in my session project. Oh, we are not able to. So let us add a controller. We'll call it as login and the code we'll copy from here. Everything which we have in login controller, we are copying it. Paste it in my new project. Then we used user profile class. So let us copy that also from model. User profile. So in models project of session, I'll create a class by name user profile. Paste it here. Of course, user profile falls under models namespace, which we have to use it on top. Models. And then we should also use the content from login index.cshtml. I'll copy as it is. For the login index method, let us create a new view and let's paste it here. So login form copied and login controller copied. Now this we would like to make changes first. Now what is the change? First, in login controller, earlier we had code where we were remembering that the user is logged in or not with the help of cookie. This I would like to remove now. Instead of cookie, all this code, I will simply write session of auth cookie or session of username is equal to user.username. That's it. So session of username, if there, implies that the user is logged in. If not there, implies that the user is not logged in. So simple. Second thing, we had coded for logout. So what shall we do in logout? All this not required. We can simply write session.remove of username. Remove from the session username. Automatically it is as good as forgetting that the user has logged in. Then these are the only two changes. That means these are the two places where I had used cookies. I changed it. Also we have to make changes is in home. Now I wanted to make, let us say, this about and contact secured. So earlier what we did was, in the cookies example, we wrote a method called as authenticate. This method I'll copy from here and again paste it in my project. But how to check whether the user is logged in or not here? Instead of cookie is equal to null, we will use session of username. If session of username is equal to null, it implies that the user is not logged in. Such case we redirect it. And then this authenticate method with return URL we used to call like this. Authenticate call. So same thing we paste here also. Only change from contact. Now let us run this. I click on about. I'm not logged in, so I got redirected to login page. Now provide invalid username and password. Something. Invalid username and password. Provide a valid username. ABCD. A, B, C, D. Login. And we are on home page. You can also visit contact because we have already logged in. But remember one very important thing. Everything we can do here, but we cannot implement something like remember me option. In cookies we could remember because it was creating a persistent cookie. But here this remember me option cannot be programmed in sessions because session is guaranteed going to get destroyed after 20 minutes of no usage. So remember me kind of functionality using session is not possible. Rest all, yes, it's one and the same. What we have done with cookies, same thing we are able to do that here also. So yes, you should pretty clearly understand sessions and cookies are interchangeable to a major extent. But remember, sessions create load on server, cookies don't create load on server. But at the same time, cookies have the limitation of number and size. Sessions don't have any such kind of limitation. So based on the situation, a developer will have to decide whether to make use of session or to make use of cookies. Thank you.